Your iPhone is taking photos, but they're not making it to iCloud, or the upload is stuck, and the count just isn't moving. Here's how to fix it. Check iCloud storage. The most common reason photos stop uploading is that your iCloud storage is full. Open Settings, tap your name, then tap iCloud. Look at the storage bar near the top. If it's full or nearly full, that's likely the problem. You can free up iCloud storage by deleting items you no longer need. Or upgrade your iCloud storage plan if you need more space. If your storage looks fine, let's check the next setting. Confirm iCloud Photos is turned on. Go to Settings, then Photos, and make sure iCloud Photos is turned on. Also make sure either Optimize iPhone Storage or Download and Keep Originals is selected. If upload seems stuck, turn iCloud Photos off. Wait about 5 seconds, then turn it back on. Now let's make sure your internet connection isn't the problem. Check your Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Try opening a web page to confirm your internet connection is actually working. If everything looks normal, but uploads are still paused, turn Wi-Fi off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. There's another setting that can pause uploads automatically. Check for low power mode. Open Settings, then Battery, and see if low power mode is turned on. If it is, turn it off. iCloud Photos can pause uploads while low power mode is enabled. Your iPhone may also enable low power mode automatically when the battery gets low. And if the upload count is stuck, this usually refreshes it. Restart the Photos app in iPhone. Swipe up and close the Photos app completely. Then restart your iPhone. Hold the side button and either volume button. Slide to power off. Then turn it back on. After your iPhone restarts, open Photos. Go to the Albums tab and check the upload status near the bottom. Give it a few minutes, and the upload should begin moving again. Full iCloud storage is the cause in the majority of cases, so always check that first. Subscribe for more iPhone tips.